Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the minimum value of the function below, x squared plus y squared plus 2xy plus 6x plus 6y plus 4. Now this function is symmetric. Before we look at how we are going to solve this, let's look at the general quadratic function. For a quadratic function, ax squared plus bx plus c, we can complete the square. And when we complete the square, it is a times x plus a on 2a all squared plus 4ac minus b squared over 2a. Now when we complete the square, it means this value here gives either maximum or minimum. Now it depends on the value of the constant here, a. When a is greater than 0, then we are going to have minimum. And when a is less than 0, then we are going to have maximum with the same value. Okay, so with this symmetric function, we are going to complete the square and then compare it with this expression. The value here will give us the minimum value. Okay, let's start. So we can rearrange the function. That is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus 6x plus 6y plus 4. So you can even bring y squared first and you still get it. That makes it symmetric. Before we come to that, from algebraic identity, a plus b all squared is the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if that is the case, this particular one, we can write it as x plus y all squared plus 6 times x plus y plus 4. Now this whole expression can be likened to ax squared plus bx plus c. This time we have x plus y, so we can still go ahead and then complete the square. This becomes the middle term, this becomes the variable. So how do we complete the square? We find the half of the coefficient here. Now half of this is 3. We're going to have x plus y plus 3. We are completing the square, all squared plus 4 minus 3 squared. Half of 6 is 3. Then you add it to the variable here. Okay, so that we have x plus y plus 3 plus 4 minus 9. So this is the same as x plus y plus 3 all squared. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So as I told you, this is going to be greater than 0. Now since x plus y plus 3 all squared, this one is going to be greater than 0. It implies that x plus y plus 3 all squared minus 5 will also be greater than 0. And as I told you, the value here becomes the minimum value. So therefore, minimum value is minus 5. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button